Hello friends, today we are making watermelon popsicle. It's super duper easy and fun. Draw two lines like this and then join them together. Now make two big round eyes for Mr. Watermelon Popsicle. Yeah, just like this. Wow, it looks happy. Some watermelon seeds on top. Oh, it looks so cute. Two circles in the eyes, a bigger one and a smaller one. Let's color it. Black. Fill the eyes with black color. You wanna know a secret? Go grab a white Sharpie and make two dots in the eyes, a bigger one and a smaller one like this. You can make it as bigger as you want and it will look more cuter. Red. Fill the popsicle with red color. Red is my favorite color. What's your favorite color? Can you tell me? I see some red spots in the eyes, but it's okay. Let's fix it. Green. And of course brown for the stick. Do you like watermelon? I love eating it in summer. It's so good for your health. And ta-da! That was so much fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.